Okay, since tapos na tayo sa concepts, let us now apply the concepts that you have learned. Problem number 1, valuation of contributions of partners. Ang requirement dito ay provide the journal entry to record the partners' contributions. Mr. Sun and Miss Moon formed a partnership. Their contributions are as follows. Additional information: only 80% of the accounts receivable is deemed collectible. The land is stated at original cost. The fair value is 1 million pesos. The partnership assumes a 250,000 pesos unpaid mortgage on the land. Miss Moon acquired the equipment on a long-term financing basis. Miss Moon promised to pay the unpaid principal balance of 80,000 pesos using her personal funds. The equipment is under-depreciated by 30,000 pesos. Requirement: provide the journal entry to record the partners' contributions. Here, sa problem na to, kailangan muna nating i-compute yung contributions ng partners bago tayo makapag-provide ng journal entry. Unahin nating i-compute yung contribution ni Mr. Sun. Mr. Sun invested cash na 400,000 pesos. Ilalagay na natin siya, 400,000 pesos. Mr. Sun also invested accounts receivable na 250,000 pesos. Yun nga lang, only 80% of the accounts receivable is deemed collectible. That means hindi natin isasama yung 20% na uncollectible. So 250,000 pesos times 80%, that is equal to 200,000 pesos. Ilagay na natin yung 200,000 pesos. 400,000 pesos plus 200,000 pesos, that is equal to 600,000 pesos. How about Miss Moon? Si Miss Moon, meron siyang ininvest na lupa, land. Ang cost ng land ay 750,000 pesos. Pero ang fair value ay 1 million pesos. Land is a non-cash asset. So therefore, ang susundin ay fair value, 1 million pesos. Ilagay na natin yung 1 million pesos. However, yung land merong 250,000 pesos unpaid mortgage. At sinabi dito sa problem na the partnership assumes a 250,000 pesos unpaid mortgage on the land. Since assumed yan ng partnership, i-deduct natin yung unpaid mortgage na 250,000 pesos. So ilagay na natin minus 250,000 pesos. Take note, kahit merong unpaid mortgage na 250,000 pesos, kung hindi yan inassume ng partnership, huwag nyong ibabawas. Sir, what if silent yung problem? Kapag silent yung problem, assume na hindi siya inassume ng partnership. That means ignore. Aside from land, meron ding equipment. Ang book value ng equipment ay 180,000 pesos. Yun nga lang, sabi dito sa problem, the equipment is under-depreciated by 30,000 pesos. Kung under-depreciated siya ng 30,000 pesos, that means overstated ang equipment. So therefore, ibabawas natin yung 30,000 pesos sa 180,000 pesos. 180,000 pesos minus 30,000 pesos, that is equal to 150,000 pesos. So idadagdag na natin yung 150,000 pesos. 1 million plus 150,000 pesos minus 250,000 pesos, that is equal to 900,000 pesos. Therefore, the total partnership capital is equal to 1,500,000 pesos. 600,000 pesos plus 900,000 pesos, that is equal to 1,500,000 pesos. Take note, hindi binawas yung 80,000 pesos na unpaid principal balance kasi hindi siya inassume ng partnership. Kaya in-ignore natin yung 80,000 pesos. Since na-compute na natin yung capital contributions ng partners, we can now provide the journal entry. Debit cash, 400,000 pesos. Debit AR, 200,000 pesos. Debit land, 1 million pesos. And debit equipment, 150,000 pesos. Credit mortgage payable, 250,000 pesos. Credit Sun Capital, 600,000 pesos. And Credit Moon Capital, 900,000 pesos.